ba o ako? Wait. One moment. Power saver.
Hi. God?
Sabi, ano eh. Lapel ko raw eh. Sige. Ayun, ako daw. Sige, tuloy mo, Chay. Sorry.
Okay na po daw yung ano. And down we drive to a moonlit dream. That goes on as a guy from loop there on the roller coaster. We'll lose our way to the window, come what may. On this starry summer. On this starry summer. And we come full circle where we began. For midsummer's past on forking roads at last. And we come full circle where we began. For midsummer's past on forking roads at last. We drive to a moonlit dream. Those are little guys who will look there on the roller coaster. We'll lose our way to the window, come what may. On this summer. On this summer.
Okay, Chay. Good.
Tsaka bilang yung pre-chorus mo ano?
Pre-chorus po A.
Tsaka bilang. Sige. Tapos assist na ulit.
Balik na.
Sige. Pre-chorus mo A and bilang.
Sige, try natin.
Okay.
Try natin.
Rock and roll.
Tanggalin mo pala yung chord.
A year's twilight at last. The day made pictures on yellowing pages now fading into the woods now. Through the window, green and deep and all that's been more. The last page of this well after all. In my heart is between the sky for me. It's still and breathing, absolute shine. Driving, driving, the step you gonna carry. Driving, driving on the train. And I'm gonna look out for looking on the road. We'll lose our way to the window, come what may. On this summer. Dancing curtains of butterflies and lilies by a tree. So good morning to my summer kingdom. In a storm, I stick to a flock of doves and
Wag renovate. Ibig sabihin ng renovate, tumataas to. Okay? Ibig sabihin, flat lang. Flat. Flat lang yung pako sa likod, oh. Hindi siya tumataas. Flat lang. Flat. Okay, your hand. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, and 7, and good. Flat. Again. 5, 6, 7. Right. Big gap. Baby. Point. 5, 6. Good una. Good. Point. 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 Alam mo, JR, yung katawan mo, maganda dahil flexible ka. Kailangan mo na makuha yung tamang form. flexible katawan mo. Magandang hubog ng steps pagka ginagawa mo properly. Okay? Kaya maging detalyado ka doon. Next, side. So, ibig sabihin, kick tayo sa left. Step right tayo, pero cross. Kick left. Okay? So, side. Okay, ready? Stand by. So, step right pa tayo, pero pa-cross. Pa-cross, ha? Kick! 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 Good, yeah. Open back. Five, six, seven. Walk na.
Side po yung kick or front?
Front kick. Brush kick. Again.
So, let's move.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Pivot. And jump. Padibore. Step. Kick. And walk. Okay? Stand by. A 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, pivot, and jump, padibore, and step, kick,